The Boating Adventure, Community Post, Channel Update number 76. Welcome to the Boating Adventure. Well, a very good morning to you. Cheers. It's Tuesday the 23rd of April 2024. It's St George's Day, so happy St George's Day. It's also Shakespeare's birthday, and unfortunately it's also the day he died, 52 years after his birthday, so he probably didn't have time to even unwrap his presents. Mind you, it's probably a book token. Anyway, we're setting off to move the Swamp Duck to a new marina, and we're setting off a lot earlier than we had planned because the River Trent, the Upper Trent, is still in the green. It has been for 2 or 3 days now, so we just don't want to leave it any longer and risk it going back up into the red or anything disastrous like that. So we've got plenty of time to get to where we are going. There are 32 locks and 1 swing bridge between us and our destination, so I thought I ought to bring along some assistance. So I've got a Lockie with me. Say hi.
Hi, morning.
So I brought Steve with me to do all the locks.
Cheers.
That's right, isn't it?
All of them, more than likely, yeah.
So I've done that stretch only just before Christmas, I think, up to Fradley Junction. So apart from taking the odd picture or so on, I'm not going to do much in the way of recording until we get to Fradley Junction. So we'll see you there.
BBC News. Barrow-upon-Trent road closed after major crash makes bridge unsafe. A Derbyshire road has been closed after a major crash made a bridge unsafe. The bridge in Sinfin Lane, Barrow-upon-Trent, was closed in both directions following the incident shortly after 1500 hours BST. Derbyshire Police said pedestrian access and access to the canal is also currently unavailable. The Canal and River Trust, which is responsible for the bridge, described the structure as a wonderful piece of the area's heritage.
Well, a very good morning to you. It's Wednesday the 24th of April 2024. Yesterday we made quite good progress. We got as far as Swarkston, went up the lock, and then we had lunch, and then we set off again. It was around about 1:30, and we set off, and we got towards Bridge 16. And there were 2 narrowboats in front of us, and they seemed to be dithering and trying to turn and all sorts. Anyway, we pulled up and I got off the boat, walked down there to see what had gone on. And to cut a long story short, a vehicle had gone into the side of the bridge 16, and knocked part of the parapet into the water. And so the police had turned up along with CRT, and they had declared the bridge unsafe. So it was all taped off, and I spoke to the police, and they were going to lock the lock at Stenson and also at Swarkston. So if we wanted to get out of the restricted area, we needed to turn round and skedaddle all the way back to Swarkston Lock as soon as possible. And we just got back as the CRT chappie was about to chain the lock up. So anyway, he let us through, and so we came down the lock, and we went a little bit further along the Trent and Mersey towards Western Lock, and we found a really nice mooring spot, and we've been here overnight, and it's really sunny today, loads of solar. I did ring this CRT yesterday, and obviously it was a new event, so they weren't quite sure how long this is all going to take. They've got to send people out to assess the situation. What they're saying is that they will try and put an update out by Friday. But if there are any developments before that, then obviously they will do that sooner. So we have to make a decision as to what to do. So what we're going to, what we've actually decided is that we're going to go back to Sawley Marina today, and then we needn't rush. It'll take us a reasonable amount of time to get there. We could be there this afternoon, and we'll take it from there. See what happens. We're just about to head into Derwent Lock, and then we're straight across the Upper Trent back to Sawley Floodlock and to the marina. The last update that we've had from the CRT is they're now talking of updating their information about the bridge on the 8th of May. So it looks like we're going to have to be stuck at Sawley just for a little bit longer. We've arrived back at Sawley Marina, where we started from. Such is life with boating. Get a boat, they said, and it'll all be straightforward. I don't think so. So we'll have to have an attempt at relocating the swamp duck in a few days, weeks' time, who knows. But in the meantime, we have got another a little trip that we could do while we're waiting, something that we wanted to do and had to put it off, but hopefully we can get that done now, and we'll keep you updated as to what we're doing. So my next video will come out ASAP. If you click the subscription button, you'll be notified by YouTube each time I upload a new video. And please give us a thumbs up and make loads of comments below, because that will help to bring the channel forward with the YouTube algorithm, and many more people will get to know about the channel and watch my videos, and that will be great. So thank you very much for all your support, and as always, do take care.